Sticks song is called Build My House. Now this one is not a Miss Alyssa original. It is by Parachute Express, so if you look it up, you can get their whole version of the song. But this is mine, and to build our house today, we need 2 rhythm sticks. So we're gonna make different parts of our house, put them together. A really fun thing you can do at the end is a little quiz of what we needed to build our house and the order. So this one can work on a little bit of sequencing. So grab your sticks, 1 in each hand. Here we go. When I build my house, I will need some bricks, and I will lay the bricks. When I build my house, I will lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, when I build my house, there's so much to do. It's so nice you could come along and help me too. Do. When I build my house, I will need some wood. Ooh. And I will saw the wood. When I build my house, I will saw the wood, saw the wood, saw the wood. When I build my house, lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, when I build my house, there's so much to do. It's so nice you could come along and help me too. When I build my house, I will need some nails. And I will hammer the nails. When I build my house, I will hammer the nails, hammer the nails, hammer the nails. When I build my house, saw the wood, saw the wood, saw the wood. When I build my house, lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, when I build my house, there's so much to do. It's so nice you could come along and help me too. When I build my house, I will need some paint. Ooh, grab those paintbrushes, and I will paint the walls. Ooh, when I build my house, I will paint the walls, paint the walls, paint the walls. When I build my house, hammer the nails, hammer the nails, hammer the nails. When I build my house, saw the wood, saw the wood, saw the wood. When I build my house, lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, when I build my house, there's so much to do. It's so nice you could come along and help me too. When I build my house, I will need a roof, and I will lay the roof. Oh, getting silly. When I build my house, I will lay the roof, lay the roof, lay the roof. When I build my house, paint the walls, paint the walls, paint the walls. When I build my house, hammer the nails, hammer the nails, hammer the nails. When I build my house, saw the wood, saw the wood, saw the wood. When I build my house, lay the bricks, lay the bricks, lay the bricks. When I build my house, when I build my house, there's so much to do. It's so nice you could come along and help me too.